Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve or change the refresh rate on your Windows 10 monitor. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by right-clicking on a blank area of our desktop, and then you want to select Display Settings. Scroll down on the right side and then select Advanced Display Settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select Display Adapter Properties for display 1 or 2. Obviously, depending on how many displays you got, you can toggle between them up here if you have multiple. And when you click on that, select the Monitor tab and then Screen Refresh Rate. Click inside the drop down, and if you have multiple options here, you would be able to select different refresh rates depending on what your monitor was capable of. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.